Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for April 12th to 26th. For April 12th to 16th, we have a ridge that is forecast here over the Gulf of Alaska into Alaska and the Northwest as we go through the period. You can see right here. And we have a broad trough with below normal heights across much of the nation. And we have above normal heights here across Greenland. Now, we're going to take a look at this satellite picture. This is our upper low over the southwest. This is it right here. And this system is forecast to track eastward. And we're going to look at it through the map. Okay, let me see if this is the right, yep. Okay, oh no, wait, that's not it. Okay, right here. Here's our upper low. Here, this is the GFS, and these are the swirls low levels, and the upper low, we're starting actually before the period begins. Here it is on the 12th, and then it works its way into the southern plains, and during this time, it will induce low pressure here that will develop. We're going to back up a little bit. You see it develops in the front ranges of the Rockies here, and then it kind of dives into the southwest. Here we'll have snow, accumulating snow. It'll deepen. Here it is 995. We'll have heavy rain and storms here across this area, and we're expecting heavy rain across the lower Mississippi Valley to the southeast. And this is an area that doesn't need to see any more rain. And there's a possibility of flooding in this area. Now we're going to go to here it is Sunday, 8 a.m. Easter Sunday. Snow here, heavy rain across this area here, rain and storms. Then we'll go to 8 p.m. on Easter. Here it is here over the Tennessee Valley. And it'll cause heavy rain. Heavy rain here across southeast. Again, areas that don't need rain. Snow on the northwest side. Accumulating snow accompanied by strong winds. And then we'll go into 8 a.m. on Monday. Now the storm really gets going here. And it looks like it's a 980 millibar here near the Great Lakes. We'll have heavy rain and storms occurring here across this region along the east coast, northeast. And we'll have snow extending back into the Great Lakes or Upper Great Lakes. That's the GFS, and here's the European. Similar in strength. It looked like it's a 985 millibar low, and then it lifts northeastward. Now, also during this period, we'll have another system here developing off the southeast coast and the tail end of this front. This will move out, and then we'll have another system here in the Gulf, might bring additional heavy rainfall to parts of the southeast. Okay, we're going to look now at the period for April 17th to 21st. And the pattern remains generally unchanged. And you can see we have a broad ridge here extending from the Pacific into the Atlantic. So the model is a good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 46 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures are forecast from the plains to the Atlantic coast, with anomalies of 48 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, for the west coast. Probability of occurrence 35%. Then we'll have above normal precipitation for much of this region here from the plains to the Atlantic coast. Probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. Then we're going to look now at the period for April 22nd to the 26th. And we're expecting a ridge in the west and the eastern Pacific into the west, and we'll have this trough or broad trough here across much of Canada, central and eastern Canada into the eastern U.S. Miles a good agreement. So for this forecast period, forecasting again below normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal. Above normal temperatures are forecast for this region, and anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees below normal are forecast. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the western states. Probability of occurrence is 45%. And then we have above normal precipitation for this region. Probability of occurrence is 45%. I'm sorry if you can't see these colors, but supposedly this is a little darker here, this is a little lighter here. That's why I put about 45%. Excuse me. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for April 12th to 26th. Thanks for coming, James Munley, World of Weather, and have a good day.